Today I'll teach you how to make a simple sign-up form in Mailchimp and get the embed code you can place on your website. Start from your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're logged in, look toward the main navigation and click Create. This opens the setup flow for new assets you can build inside Mailchimp. On screen, you should see several creation options, and the one you want here is Sign-up Form. When that menu opens, Mailchimp will show a few different form types. For this walkthrough, choose the Embedded Form option. That's the version designed to live directly on a website page, so it's a good fit if you want visitors to subscribe without leaving your site. Mailchimp will then ask for a name for the sign-up form. Give it something clear and practical so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you end up creating multiple forms for different pages or audiences. This name is mostly for your own organization, so keep it simple and descriptive. Once that's entered, click Begin. Now you'll move into the form editor. This is where you decide what information you want to collect from subscribers. You'll see available form fields, and for a simple sign-up form, you can add the ones that make sense for your list. In this example, open the first name and last name fields. As you do that, watch the form preview so you can see how the sign-up form is taking shape. A practical tip here is to keep the form as short as possible. The more fields you ask people to fill out, the more likely they are to stop before subscribing. If all you really need is contact information and basic personalization, first name and last name may be enough. A common mistake is adding too many fields too early, which can hurt conversions. Once you're happy with the fields you've included, click Continue. Mailchimp will then bring you to the part where you can use the form outside the platform. Look for the Copy Code button and click it. This copies the embed code you'll paste into your website's HTML or into a custom code block, depending on the site builder you use. Be careful to copy the full code snippet so the form works properly when you embed it. To wrap up, click Go to All Forms. That takes you back to your Forms area, where you can manage this form later if you want to edit fields or create another version. And that's how to create a simple Mailchimp sign-up form and get it ready for your website.